Hey now, my friend, I trust that you're having an excellent day. I want to share with you how you can begin to learn and earn and be able to really market any product or service that you want, but slowing down fast enough to learn how to start a business online, how to make money online is very important. Because if not, you'll launch out, you'll do what people are telling you to do, write down a list of your family and friends. I have so many colleagues right now because I work full time. Their antennas are up and they are buying business opportunities. They're starting to sell real estate, insurance, and the teaching that they're being given, I'll say, is limited. So they're told to write down a list of family and friends, email people, which is spamming people, text people, which is spamming people. So they're quickly, some just started in less than 30 days, but they are quickly saying this doesn't work, this isn't for me. And the reason why it's not working, the reason why it's not for you is because you don't have a system in place. You have to learn how to do anything. You have to learn, all right? So let me tell you how I started. And it's the same thing that I'm telling you about now. And this is how you can begin to start earning $100 instant cash commissions. So when I started with a learn and earn system. I purchased a suite of ebooks. There's nothing but ebooks back there. This was back in 2007, believe it or not. I would read the ebooks line by line, stop, learn a little bit. I would come online with my flip video back then, or with my webcam on my computer, and I would tell people what I learned. And I would ask people, if you want to learn this as well and make money at the same time, click the link in the video description. People would do that. Hey, I want to learn that. Hey, I want to make money. Great combination, learn and earn. People start buying. Every time they would buy, of course, they would create a profile. They would purchase the ebook library, which was just $5. They would have their products, because it's digital, and I would make $5 over and over and over. And when they went and did that, people would go set up their profile, purchase the ebook library, and they would make $5. And so now we're all learning and we're earning. So we learn, we apply, and we earn. Yes, that's the same concept that I'm telling you about with this daily cash guide that I've been telling you about. It is a perfect learn and earn system. You come on, you start going through the ebook, you can read it once and then go back, read the first part, apply it. Don't go any further until you've applied it. Yes? Come online, say, this is what I'm learning. This is what I applied. I'm starting a second part-time career. I want to learn how to market online. I want to learn how to launch my lipstick business or my clothing line or my insurance company, whatever it is. I want to learn how to do that. This is what I'm learning. And if you desire to do the same thing too, we can learn together, we can apply together, yes, and we can earn. So that's what a learn and earn system is. You go in, you learn something, you apply it. And just from the application of what you're doing will put you in the environment to earn. Okay, one more example. I have another income stream and I've just been applying this basic information that I haven't been applying. Sometimes we move away from what works. So I went back, I've been posting videos on a daily basis, and I am earning on a weekly basis. It works. So you learn it, you apply it, and what you are applying is what puts you in profit. Yes and yes. So click the link in the video description. Seriously take a look at this learn and earn system, okay? Because once you learn something, people can't take it away from you. Education is the passport to success. Hey, many blessings.